Why does it look so sad today? Who seems to be waiting for a phone call? How long has it been? Wait forever but not see call. I have a phone. Hello.
Honey, prepare to go out.
Lala, you can go out. Which shirt should I wear? This red shirt too long and wide, so simple. How should I choose which one? Choose another one. Wear this yellow shirt. This yellow shirt is too simple. Oh, there is no beautiful one suitable for outing with my dear.
Select this pink corduroy shirt, cut it across from the bottom to this point, then cut into arrows to form a bow of the same color as the shirt.
Doyen wear a shirt. Oh, very beautiful, very cute. Then take the bow tie to create a cute butterfly at the center of the chest. Look very attractive, super cute, very suitable for Doyen. She is so smart with her hands. Choosing a shirt color is also very beautiful. The idea is also very smart. Smart-handed, the shirt is so beautiful. So it's done. Honey, where is it? Let's go out.
Hi, you are so pretty. Let's go.